Ever heard of the Family Bank strategy? A game changer for financial planning. It's all about creating your own private bank. Here's a quick overview. Step 1. Start with a high cash value life insurance policy. This offers tax-free growth and access to funds. Step 2. You borrow money from your policy, not from a traditional bank. It's your money, your rules. Step 3. Pay the policy loans back on your terms. You're in control. The result? You've created a self-sustaining financial ecosystem that grows regardless of market conditions. Interested in mastering the family bank strategy? Subscribe for more insight, tips, and proven strategies. Make your money work smarter, not harder. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Dive deeper into the family bank strategy today.